The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts, 52 artillery units at their firing positions, 164 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile artillery armaments and munitions depots have been destroyed near Vasyukovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoalexandrovka, Gulaipole, Novopavlovka in Zaporozhye region, and Solonchaki in Nikolaev region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Chervony Zaporozhets in Dnepropetrovsk region. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 1 Su-27 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Porskalevka in Poltava region. Moreover, 12 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Novoluganskoye, Staromlinovka, Novogrigorovka, Ivanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Vladimirovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Tavriskoye, Kiselovka, Tomarino and Chaikino in Kherson region. In addition, 16 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS and Ukrainian LH-MLRS have been intercepted near Troitskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Chernobyevka, Korsunka, Novoraisk, Kakhovka, Antonovka, and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. 10 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Guselskoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 321 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,211 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,720 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 868 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,467 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,529 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.